So you guys decided to buy a motorcycle for the first time. Or are thinking about buying a motorcycle, having those second thoughts. Should I buy? Should I not? Should I opt for a car? Well, if you've thought about buying one motorcycle, or if you've bought one or are buying one, then congratulations to you guys, cause owning a motorcycle is a very big responsibility. Well, of course, the first and foremost things that we are going to talk about when owning a motorcycle is about being safe. And one way of being safe is having the right gears. That is correct. Having the right gears. So our topic for today is about motorcycle gears, specifically for beginners. So if you're a new motorcyclist, a new rider, you've bought your bike, of course, you'll also have to buy all those gears. And the purpose of this video is for us to look for gears that are not cheap, not too expensive, but it will do the job for beginners. It's gonna save you money. Well, I hope it's gonna save you money. But yeah, buying those gears all in one time will be very expensive. That's why we're gonna look at my basic gears, because I'm a new rider here in the UK, and I hope to help you decide about the gears you are going to buy. So there we go. Let's proceed to the first set of gear for our head. Here we go, guys. We proceed to the helmet. So I know you've seen my helmets from all of my other videos, and here it is. My helmet is the AGV K5. There we go. Of course, I will also be posting the prices down below, so you can calculate how much the total is. It's gonna be in sterling pounds, and beside it, like, let's convert it to Philippine peso. So here we go, guys. The AGV helmet, K5 helmet. It's like it's designed for racing. So this helmet cost me about 217 pounds, or if we multiply it by 64, it is 13,888 pesos. Not bad, right? So you get that sporty look, and you've also got quality cheek pads in here, a D-ring lock, and of course AGV is known in the motorcycle world as a safe and reliable helmet. There we go, guys. That's it for the helmet. The next piece of gear is our gloves. So I've got here the Alpinestars SP5 leather gloves, which cost me about 70 pounds or 4,544 Philippine peso. So this is mostly a summer glove or spring glove. I mean, I'm talking about the seasons, guys. So yeah, it's fairly thin, but you've got some knuckle protectors. You've got that protector on your pinky so that it won't snap like that. Ouch. And you've got some fairly decent amount of wrist protection, but mostly, yeah, it's for beginners, so it's worth a try, guys, and it feels good. For me, the upside of this glove is it's not too thick, so that I can still feel the controls on my motorbike, and it's not too thin as well. It really provides that needed protection. So there we go, guys. That's for the gloves. The next gear is our jacket. So I've got here an RST Tractech Evo 2 jacket. There we go, guys. I can't say this is a beginner gear because it was given to me by my girlfriend.
Ang laki niya. Tas ang bigat.
That's what she said. As a gift for my birthday. So this is a leather jacket, complete with shoulder protection, elbow protection, a back protector, and CE level, I don't know what level, but it has got some armors inside of it, and it weighs like 3 kilograms, so it's very heavy, guys. It's a leather jacket. But one option you can also buy is a textile jacket, which is good for the summer. I'm gonna show you the picture. It's the Alpinestars TGP V2 Air jacket. So it's the same thing. It's waterproof as well, and it's textile, so the air circulation inside will be very good. It's not gonna be as much as hot as this leather when you use it in the summer. So this jacket cost me about 200 pounds. That's 12,800 Philippine pesos. So yeah, it looks very good, guys. There we go. Now the next one is our trousers, or our motorcycle pants. I've got here a Spada All Seasons Pro motorcycle pants. So there we go. I'm just gonna step back so that you can see the whole of it. So guys, these pants cost me about 70 pounds or 4,480 Philippine peso. And what I like about these pants, according to the price, is it's got a hip protection, or a hip protector. You can, I don't know if you can see this, but it has pads on the hips, and of course the pads on the knees. Yeah, so for that price, this is a really lucky find. It's also waterproof. It says all season, so I bet you can use it from winter up until summer. So winter or summer, you can use these ones. And another thing is, these pants are not that baggy or not that loose. So if you can see, starting from the legs to the feet, the pants becomes narrower, or ano ba? Baston. Baston yung pants, guys. There we go. This is the Spada All Seasons Pro motorcycle pants. There we go, guys. That's it. Now we come to the last piece of gear that we wear. It's our motorcycle boots. I've got here the TCX Blaze. I think, yeah. This is the TCX Blaze boots. Red and black. What I like about these shoes are, well, let's go to the price first. So these shoes cost me about 100 pounds. That's 6,400 pesos. And what I like about these boots are, they're not really too obvious as a motorcycle boot. So if you can see, they're like just normal shoes, but it's got that necessary protection like a motorcycle boot. So you've got the toe box here, or for the shifting. Let's go to the other side. So you've got a sturdy toe box here for shifting. You've got ankle protectors for your ankles, of course. It has got laces on, which for me is a downside, because it takes too much time to put these shoes on. But it also has got a Velcro lock over here at the top. There we go, guys. And yeah, so compared to other normal motorcycle boots, you can actually walk on these shoes or motorcycle shoes without getting uncomfortable in it. So if you're riding around with these boots and you'll need to walk around for a couple of minutes, go somewhere else, it's very, very comfortable wearing these shoes, because it's very flexible as well. So like I said, it's like a normal shoe, a normal everyday shoe. So there we go, guys. That's it for all the gears that I wear. I'm also gonna share some pieces of gear that I use for storing my things whenever I ride on my motorcycle. So the next thing that we've got is a backpack. I've got here a 15-liter Kriega backpack. There we go. This is waterproof as well, guys, and this cost me about 115 pounds or around 7,000 pesos. What I like about this backpack is it's a nice quality. It has got some nice quality build. As I've said, it's also waterproof, and it's got 2 points of security. One is for the chest. There we go, and the other one, let me just lock it in place. There we go. The other one is for your chest, for your waist, I mean. So we've got the chest secured lock, and a lock for your waist as well. So there we go, guys. It's very comfortable wearing this one, as it has got a mesh on the back side. So if you're wearing a leather jacket, it still promotes that the circulation of air on your back, so that you won't get too hot over there. Last but not the least is a leg bag. It's an Oxford leg bag. So what I use this for storing my my card holder or the batteries for the GoPro. It's also waterproof. It is a quality build. Of course, it's from Oxford. You know, Oxford guys, they build some nice, amazing, sturdy things. So there we go, guys, the leg bag. That is it. That is my motorcycle gears for new riders or for beginners. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share the video if you thought it was very helpful. So yeah, there we go, guys. Thank you, and see you next, I don't know, week, next ride. Yeah, I don't know whenever that is, but see you guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.